So the question goes, we are now moving to the step of proving some trigonometric stuffs, some identities. Example 1, prove that 1 plus sin theta all over cos theta equals cos theta all over 1 minus sin theta. So I want to prove that the whole of this one equals that. And when the question comes in proof, you can even start from the left hand side or the right hand side. Let's look at the solution. So we have got 1 plus sin theta all over cos theta. I want to see if it is bringing that. Before I move on, see what is up is now the other side coming down, but when it is having a minus, that means it came from rationalizing the numerator. So they rationalize the numerator. So and some we have used is only rationalizing the denominator. So here we go with every corner. So they took the conjugate of that number. So can we rationalize? We are going to say 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta all over cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So can we go ahead? So this one is the same as what? This one is the difference of two squares, which becomes 1 minus the sin squared theta all over cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. But cos squared theta plus sin squared theta was equal to 1. If I make cos squared theta, sorry, what is going to be? Cos squared theta is the same as 1 minus sin squared theta. So where you see 1 minus sin squared theta, I'm going to put a cos squared. So we got here 1 plus sin theta all over cos theta equals, this one I've already seen that is already a cos squared theta all over cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So this becomes what? This one reduces with 1. We are going to remain with cos theta all over 1 minus sin theta as required. This is what they have asked us to prove. So we can see that after coming from those sides, we are strictly coming out with that. These numbers are always enjoyable. It's always upon you to follow the steps. Don't gamble on them. Avoid gambling. This is what I want to repeat on this. Avoid gambling. Shoot a number, follow the procedures, and be very keen. Don't rush. The only way you can rush after you have tried to practice more numbers on that. That's when you can come out with more and more of those numbers. So that's how we have tried to do with that kind of a proof. So we shall move to the next step of another example of how to see how we can do with the proof.